this is Highlight here, and today I'll show you a Minecraft trick. Hopper. So I'm going to teach you to. So I'm going to make things go in the hopper and go to the chest. So this is the trick. Get a block and put it there. Place a hopper. Remove that block and place a chest under it. And now we done it. So now if you place something inside, then the hopper takes it to the chest. This might take a while. It's already been like 10 seconds and it's already full. And you can do it to multiple objects. And this may take a while. Yeah, this might take a while. So let's speed it up. Okay, I'm going to speed it up when I'm finished singing. It's speeding up right now. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now it's going to finish in a second. Okay, now everything is inside the chest. So this is kind of the trick. Bye-bye.